Well, here you go, ladies and gents. The belt buckle commemorating the 75th anniversary of the Buck 119 special. This belt buckle was made of fine metal pewter and one of only 500 ever to be made. Some going to get lost to time, damaged, and thrown in the trash. So in 20 years, you'd be one of the rare few that owns this precious belt buckle. After the Pearl Harbor attacks, the U.S. government began requesting blade donations. It was there in the basement of a church in 1942 where Hoyt Buck first began making the legendary gear. Later to be known as the Buck 119 Special. These are individually numbered. You ain't necessarily going to get this one, but you better get them while supplies last. Thank you.